In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll know two quick ways to surface only the messages you haven't opened yet so you can clear your inbox with confidence. First, open Outlook on the web. Head to outlook.live.com and sign in if prompted. Once your mailbox loads, you'll see your folders on the left, your message list in the center, and a reading pane on the right if you have it enabled. We'll work right from the message list, so nothing else needs to change. Next, look for the filter control above your message list. Depending on your layout and window size, it typically sits near the top right of the list. Click it to open a small menu that lets you narrow what you see without leaving your current folder. This is a fast visual way to slice your inbox without building a complex search. From that menu, choose Unread. Instantly, your message list refreshes to show only emails that Outlook still considers unread. You'll usually notice the familiar bold subject lines or a small indicator dot next to each item, confirming that the filter is working. This view is great when you want to scan your inbox folder by folder. If you need to get back to your full list later, just reopen the same filter menu and switch back to all. That way you won't wonder where your read messages disappeared to. If you prefer a search-based approach, or if you want a filter that can span across folders, click into the search box at the top of Outlook and type is unread, then press enter. This is a built-in search operator that tells Outlook to show only unread messages in your current context. It's especially handy if your filter button isn't visible on a smaller screen, or if you want to combine unread with a keyword or a sender. For example, you can type a word before or after is unread to narrow further, and Outlook will keep the results focused on unread items. When you're done, clear the search to return to your normal view. To recap, use the filter menu's unread option for a quick folder-focused sweep, and use the IS unread search operator when you want a flexible, keyboard-friendly way to pull up unread messages fast. Try both and pick the one that fits your routine best. Thanks for watching, and happy inbox cleaning.